one finds in nature is polycrystalline, so it's made up of many small grains, grain sizes of the order of 50 micrometers or something like that. However, there are natural single crystals, so one large grain similar to a diamond on a wedding ring, that are found in nature, and that is highly unusual. How did this happen? What are these special conditions that made this single crystal in nature? What needed to come together for this to appear?
It is very exciting, and there were a number of challenges, of course. With X-rays you only see the surface, so the X-rays couldn't give you a unique answer. The neutrons are the only probe without cutting the crystal.
And with the HIPPO instrument we can characterize the crystallinity of a material and measure how many crystals are, or how the crystals are oriented. What we're looking at now is the actual instrument. So we have those little tubes in there. Each tube is a helium-3 neutron detector. They detect the neutrons that have interacted with the sample.
We found that 3 of the crystals were actually single crystalline, natural single crystals. And one of the crystals that looked exceptionally perfect, where all the faces were filled in and so on, that turned out to be most likely artificial. The pure gold value, if you would take today's price, probably would be about $10,000, but because it's a single crystalline specimen, collectors really pay a factor of 100 or more for those.
These were very exciting experiments. In this case, there was a large material value, and simply being exposed to the world's largest gold single crystals is fairly unique and a lot of fun to work with.